How to add custom HTML or CSS to your Tumblr theme. First of all, open Tumblr on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, click on Settings in the left sidebar, then click on your blog name. Scroll down until you find the Custom Theme option. Enable it and then click on Edit Theme. In the left sidebar of the theme editor, scroll down and click on Advanced option. Here you will find a text box where you can add custom CSS to your Tumblr theme. Carefully insert your custom CSS code to personalize your Tumblr blog's design. After adding your custom code, click Save to apply the changes. Your Tumblr blog will update immediately with the new custom CSS styles. Now you know how to add custom HTML or CSS to your Tumblr theme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.